In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Sprout Social subscription. Now, whether you've decided to switch to another service or maybe want to take a break, I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step, ensuring it's as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. So, head over to your browser of choice. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whichever you're most comfortable with. Once you have your browser open and ready, the next move is to navigate to the search bar. You want to type in Sprout Social and hit Enter. It will lead you to the Sprout Social homepage, where all the action begins. On the Sprout Social homepage, look for the Sign In or perhaps the Sign Up option, depending on whether you've saved your login details previously. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials, so make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you've successfully signed into your account, focus your attention on the upper portion of the screen. Here, you should see an option labeled Account and Settings. Clicking on this will expand a drop-down menu where you'll find another option, Settings. This step is crucial, as accessing the Settings menu is where you'll find all the information tied to your subscription and account. Once inside the settings, your goal is to find the section labeled Billing and Plan. This might take a second of scrolling, so don't worry if it doesn't pop up immediately. But once you see it, go ahead and click on it. The Billing and Plan section is where you're going to find details about your current subscription, along with any payment methods you have on file. Now here's where the process gets close to the end. You need to scroll down to the very bottom of the Billing and Plan page. You're looking for an option that says Deactivate your account. It should be clickable, and selecting it will start the cancellation process. There might be a few confirmation screens or prompts for feedback, but that's standard for these types of cancellations. Remember, if you're on a free trial and it differs slightly from the regular subscription, you might see different options present. Often, services like Sprout Social provide easier cancellation options during a trial period. So keep your eyes peeled for any different prompts that may show up. And that's it. Once you've gone through all these steps, your Sprout Social subscription should be successfully canceled. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any more queries or need further assistance, feel free to explore other how-to videos or reach out to Sprout Social support team for more help. Have a great day.